Hello everyone. Welcome to our weekly series where our students showcase their prowess of having the papers published in international journals. Today we have with us Dayakar Vallepu, with whom we'll have a detailed discussion about his journey in the project and subsequent paper publication. But before that, let's see a small example of how we at 360 Digital MG help our students achieve their goals. So we have with us student A and student 360. Both are getting trained on data science and AI, okay? And both are doing assignments. Now coming to projects, you have Mr. A working on dummy projects on Kaggle, GitHub, YouTube. Mr. A is working on that. And we have the student 360 working on real-time projects. Okay. Now, as part of the real-time projects, they have to attend stand-up calls. Mr. 360 has to attend stand-up calls, have to create end-to-end data pipelines, have to learn how to deploy on-premise as well as on cloud. And along with that, okay, you also get the opportunity to attend client meetings. Now, the icing on the cake over here is after all of this involvement in the project, you also get, for the top 3 students, also get this opportunity to have their paper published in international journals. Now, let's try to answer this question. We have student 360 and a student A. Whose resume do you think is going to get selected? We have on the one side a person who has just worked on dummy projects. On the other side, a person who has worked on real-time projects, has to go through the process, will have challenges about which he can speak, right? So it is, of course, the student at 360 who would get shortlisted in interviews, and eventually the interviewer also select him up, right? Let's go to Dayakar. Welcome, Dayakar. Hello.
Hi, sir. I'm audible.
Yes. Go on, Dayakar. Please take us through the project scope.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So, first of all, thank you very much, sir, for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thanks to my trainers and teachers, and thanks to 360 Digital MG and AiSPRY team. So, this project is AI-based road safety audit system. So, in this project, I followed the CRISP MLQ methodology, cross-industry standard process for machine learning with quality assurance. So, it have 6 phases: business and data understanding, data preparation, model building, evaluation, deployment, and monitoring and maintenance. So in this phase, business and data understanding, I am understand the business problem does client have. My client, one of the highway maintenance contractor, so he have some challenges in ensuring road safety due to manual inspection is taking much time and costly and chances of errors too. So the defects are faded lane lines, crash barriers, damaged milestones, and damaged stop signs. By identifying manually, it's take a lot of time. So by implementing AI, can automate inspections, enhance accuracy, and speed up maintenance, reducing cost and improving safety too. So that is all about my business problem. So based on my business problem, then we give with business objective and constraint and success criteria. So the business objective is we have to minimize the manual inspection cost, and the business constraint is to maximize the performance of detecting such damages and maximize the scalability. So when it comes to the success criteria, first we give the business success criteria. Model could detect road safety features on any highway in India. Then we go with ML success criteria. For the ML success criteria, we have to achieve the model accuracy is greater than 90%. And then economic success criteria, reduce manual inspection costs. Then I prepared this architecture for a clean plan and organize my project. So here I mentioned the CRISP MLQ overall what we're doing. When it comes to data understanding, data is unstructured data. That means the image data I collected from the Google. Data collection is very challenging. There should no watermark presence, and we maintain image quality, collecting single file format. I collected JPG format. To tackle all this, I used Google Lens and manually verified all requirements. In data collection, I collected totally 8 classes. Those are good lane lines, damaged lane lines, good crash barriers, damaged crash barriers, good milestone, damaged milestone, good stop sign, damaged stop sign. So these are all the 8 classes I collected. Then I use digital Srini for annotation, augmentation, and data partitioning. So I use Polygon in digital Srini. So it is a tool for precise marking, which leads for better model performance. So after done my annotation, I check all classes are balanced or not. If not, again, I'm collecting data and make my data balanced. Then I do augmentation in digital Srini. Augmentation is a pre-processing technique. So by doing augmentation, we can get more data. Actually, AI models need a lot of data for getting a good result. So if we have data imbalance, and also we can make it data balanced too by doing augmentation technique. So I go for several augmentation techniques: flipping, rotation, Gaussian blur, random brightness adjustment, zoom, sharpen. So these are all the techniques I gone through. After I generated per one image, I generated 50 images through augmentation. Then I do the data splitting in digital Srini itself. I take 70% as train, 20% as validation, 10% as test. Then I downloaded that splitted data in YOLO format. So after that, I going to model building. Basically, I'm done a lot of research and find out I have to do segmentation task. Then I choose YOLO V8 S segmentation model. So my model, this is the architecture of my model. So it have 195 layers and approximately 11,782,000 parameters this model have. And and then I do model building. Then I save it in .pt and ONNX format. So when it comes to the evaluation part, I choose MAP. Then where I am getting MAP at 0.5 at 97% and 0.5 to 0.95 to 86%. Then I get. Then when it comes to the deployment part. So can you show me the deployment part, sir? Yeah. So this is the deployment part. For deployment, I use the Streamlit. It will open the about page. Then from there, I kept 3 types. We can go with image detection, we can go with video detection, or we can go with live detection. So yeah, these are about my projects.
You have gone with a detailed explanation. I know
Yes,
it
sir.
was a lengthy explanation, and I wanted to ask some questions too. Like you told that you have tried out a lot of models, you did a lot of research regarding the same.
Yes, sir.
Now, how did you decide that you have to go with YOLO V8? And what are the other models that you used or that you tried out?
Yes, sir. I based on my research, I found out mass carcinogen also will be there. So for due to GPU issues, I will try it with only one model, YOLO V8 S-Seg model. So from there, I'm getting the good result. Then I tried to build mass carcinogen, but for GPU issues, I cannot able to get. I cannot able to build that model. Yes, sir.
And within the YOLO models, YOLO V8 models too, there are different variants, right?
Yes, sir.
And you picked a certain variant. Why did you
Yeah, I
go with the one that you went with? Is
yeah
it
I picked
because
with
of space constraint?
Yes, sir. I picked with YOLO V8. Yes, I mean small model. So it have less parameters, and during the inference also it will give the best result, and fast inference we can get. So that's why I choose YOLO V8 S model. So as we mentioned, it have uh, 195 layers and 11 lakh, 11 approximately 11 lakh parameters. So when compared to medium and large models, it have more parameters and more layers. It may take time to do inference.
Okay, okay. Now, this is a very, I'll not say very difficult, but at the same time, very challenging project,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Now, as part of the challenges, what are the challenges that you faced? If you can state a few, and how did you mitigate it? What was the initial thinking that you had when you came across the challenge, and what was the solution eventually was like?
Yes, sir. The main challenge is data collection part. So we go in with different data sets. Like we go with Kaggle data sets. We can search for a Kaggle data set, and from Kaggle we can search it, and Hugging Face also we tried, but we cannot get the data sets. So finally we go with collecting the data in Google itself. So from there also we are getting with uh, we cannot get with that much of data, and the same uh, that markings also like
Okay, I believe then the data that you were expecting to have, you were not able to find it. And that was a
yes,
major
yes,
challenge, I believe, right?
yes, sir, yes, sir. So for
And how did you
tackle that,
tackle it?
yeah, for tackle that, I'm getting manually verified all the images and remove the markings from the images, and I generated myself like synthetic data I generated. So after that, then I used my models that into
Wonderful,
my model.
wonderful, Dayakar. Now, there, there are some inspirations that we can take from you, right? And you would also have some suggestions or guidance to our students who at 360 Digital MG are not right now pursuing or are maybe part of any project. What is your suggestion? What is your guidance to them when it comes to your experience? And if you could share something about that.
Yes. Friends, during classes, interact more with trainers and ask doubts and make a schedule and revise concepts. These live projects are more important. Understand the business problem well. Research more on that. List out the solutions and go with one by one. Understand line by line. Then, when it comes to the code, understand the line by line code. Then, people mostly I'm seeing taking the ChatGPT code as it is. Please don't do that. Take a reference from the ChatGPT, understand that line by line code, and use from the ChatGPT like that.
A very practical suggestion, Dayakar. And it was a great discussion to have with you.
Yes, sir.
And good luck.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Dayakar.
Yes.
Continuing with our time, let's see what we are offering to our participants, to our students. Okay. So our students have this opportunity to work on real-time projects, as you could hear from Dayakar. And we also would ensure that you are well versed with the project methodologies that we are using here. You also have to learn different tools. You'll have to, when you're working on such projects, you also have to like make sure that you're well versed with the tools to like Python, Power BI, cloud platforms, and you get this wonderful opportunity of getting a paper's names published in international journals. Wonderful opportunity to have in your resume, right? Now, along with that, everyone, not only our students, everyone has access to some free tools, some very great free tools that are available absolutely for free for everyone to access. So you have the mind map, ML architecture assistant, the resume optimization hub, and the animated learnings, right? So you have to just go to 360digitalmg.com. Over there, you'll see learning resources. Under learning resources, you'll find all these different tools absolutely free of cost. And it's for everyone to use. We have a very good offer going on this month for the data science certification flagship program. We have an 50% off going on right now for this month. And we also have for the professional program in data science and AI, we have a placement guarantee program that is right now underway. So you can call us, contact us, and inquire about these different courses. Now, we do have a presence at Hyderabad, Bengaluru, and Chennai. You can call us or contact us at 1-800-212-654-321. You can always email us at inquiry@360digitmg.com. Now, we also have a presence in LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. So that's about it, friends. It was a great discussion that we had with Dayakar today. And we'll see you next on Saturday. Thank you. Happy learning.